Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm here with my sister Laura from Our Oily House, and I'm gonna have her share her favorite roller bottles. So you guys know that I love natural things and essential oils, and I try to do everything, from scratch and completely natural with my cleaning products and my body products and all that kind of stuff. So I love essential oils. You can see my box here. It's getting pretty crowded, and I kind of need another box because I actually even have another bag of oils because I can't fit them all in here. But my sister, she does a channel and a blog all about essential oils. So she shares her favorite body products and roller bottles. What else do you have on your blog?
Just a lot of natural remedies for your home, your health, your body, and roller bottle recipes, just DIY type stuff.
So it's a really good resource, and she even has a printable library where she shares all of her natural products, the labels that go with them, so that you can kind of not mix everything up in your house. And so I will link all that below. I'll link her channel, I'll link her blog, and where you can get onto her printable library. But today I wanted to invite her over to share her favorite roller bottles that she uses in her house and kind of why she loves them and what they're good for. All right, so the supplies that we're gonna need are obviously some essential oils. I think you're keeping it pretty basic in case someone doesn't have quite the collection that I have.
Yes.
Some of the main oils that people use, okay? And then fractionated coconut oil. Why the fractionated?
Regular coconut oil will solidify whenever it's below 76 degrees. And so if it got solid, then your roller bottle wouldn't work. So fractionated coconut oil is the same except for it always stays liquid. You can use pretty much any vegetable-based oil. You're not gonna wanna use olive oil because it is thicker and so it doesn't work as well in your roller bottles, but anything like a sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or avocado oil, any of those are all fine for a carrier oil.
Okay. All right, so tell me about the first roller bottle that's your favorite roller bottle.
Okay, my favorite one that I used most often is a immune support roller bottle. And that is just one that's really good at boosting the immune system, one that you're gonna wanna use whenever you are feeling kind of sick or if you've been exposed to a sickness. Okay. So with all the little ones running around, I like to use this one like if we go to a play date or before we go into church nursery or the grocery store, just to kind of keep their immune systems up, to try to prevent us from getting sick.
Okay, so what should I do to make this?
Okay, my rule of thumb, whenever you're making a roller bottle for an adult, anywhere from 15 to 20 drops of essential oil in your 10 ml roller bottle. And if you're making it for a child, 5 to 10 drops. Okay. And then for little ones below 1, you're gonna wanna do just 1 to 5 drops of essential oil.
I think we forgot to point out that this is William. Laura has 4 kids, and we've had 3 at the same time, so he's obviously close in age to Micah, and then 2 of her other kids are close in age to my kids. She snuck one extra one in there that I did not have, so.
Kind of fun.
Okay, so what should we start with?
Okay, so for the immune boosting roller bottle, you're gonna use lemon, oregano, frankincense, and melaleuca. All 4 of those oils are just great at boosting the immune system. So to make the immune boosting roller bottle, we're gonna do 4 drops of your lemon, and then we'll do 4 drops of your frankincense. Frankincense is known as the king of essential oils, and this one has extensive health benefits for you. So this one is good for respiratory, digestive health. It's really good for cellular health as well. This is one that you definitely want to get into all of your roller bottle recipes. Then you're gonna do 4 drops of your melaleuca essential oil. Okay. And then we're going to do just 2 drops of oregano. And I don't put too much oregano in here because it is a hot oil. And so if I'm using it on the kids especially, you wanna make sure that this one is diluted. It's a great one to add in here because of its properties, but you just don't need too much of it.
It's really thick, so it's slow, right?
Yeah, some of them are a little bit harder to get out.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna top it off with some fractionated coconut oil. And that is all you have to do. When I make roller bottles, I usually use an amber glass roller bottle because whenever you use these clear ones like Lisa has, if they ever sit like in the windowsill or somewhere in direct sunlight, the essential oils will lose their potency. So you definitely want to use either an amber glass or a blue colored glass. But Lisa usually keeps hers in this like drawer right here. So if it's in away from the sun, it's okay. But I just like to use ambered or blue just so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay, well, I will definitely keep that in mind for next time. Can you tell us how we should use this?
So for the immune boosting roller bottle, this is one, like I said, you're gonna wanna use just whenever you are sick. So when you have first sign of sickness, when your throat's kind of feeling scratchy, you're kind of tired, just a little bit off, or if you've been exposed to sickness. And a good place to apply this one is to the bottoms of the feet, and then also the wrist and the back of the neck and down the spine.
Okay. Great.
And you can apply it several times throughout the day. My daughter had a little sickness yesterday, and whenever I'm using my essential oils to help boost their immune systems, I apply it every hour. So I constantly was putting it onto the bottoms of her feet and down her spine just to keep boosting the immune system.
And then you can also take these same combination of oils and diffuse them in the diffuser to kind of kill some airborne germs in your house. So that's good if there's a sickness kind of going around that you want to slow down or stop.
Yeah.
All right, so what's your next favorite one?
Okay, the next one I'm going to talk about is one that we use pretty much daily in my home. And this one I like to call my clear skin roller bottle. And it is a blend of frankincense, lavender, and melaleuca. And these three essential oils are great for any type of skin imperfection, blemishes, acne, rashes. If the kiddos fall and scrape their knees, it's good for scrapes, bumps, bruises, any type of thing like that. Any kind of skin related issue, you're gonna wanna go to your clear skin roller bottle.
Okay.
To make this one, it's pretty easy. All you need is 6 drops of each essential oil in your roller bottle.
So melaleuca, frankincense, and lavender.
Yep.
And then if this is exclusively for kids, you'd do a little bit less?
Yeah, I would cut it in half and do 3 of each.
Okay.
They all are very soothing. They're also really great. Lavender is a great one for burns, and so this is a good one for that type of thing, or a bee sting, any type of insect bite. It's gonna help just soothe those types of skin issues.
Okay.
So yeah, top it off with your fractionated coconut oil. And then this one can just be applied to the area of concern. So if you have a blemish on your face, you can just roll it right onto that, or a bug bite straight on there.
Now I can see why it'd be good to have some free printable labels for these.
Yeah, yeah, because you're not gonna know
forget
what ones these are. Yeah, keep them separate.
Yeah. Okay, and then how about your other, I'm sure you have a lot of favorite rollers.
I do.
But for the purpose of today's video, what's the third one we're gonna share?
The third one is also has frankincense in it and lavender.
Okay.
And these two are really good for calming, relaxing, soothing. So this is a blend that you could use at nighttime on yourself or on the kiddos before bed, or anytime that you are having some stress, anxious feelings, sleep. This is your calming roller bottle.
Okay.
So we are going to do 10 drops each of frankincense and lavender.
Okay.
And you guys have probably noticed that I put frankincense in all 3 of these roller bottles, and that's because I add frankincense into every single one of my blends that I make. And that's because frankincense is a drive oil, which means it helps the other essential oils drive or penetrate into the skin even better. So whenever you're adding frankincense in, it's going to help the other essential oils work better than if they were just individually. And because frankincense is good for so many things, it just goes well on every single blend. This is one that I like to get onto me and onto my kids every single day.
Okay, good.
So you're gonna see a lot of frankincense in all of my stuff.
Sounds like a good one.
Yep.
Okay, so be sure to check out Laura's YouTube channel. I'll link it in the cards and down below, and her blog. If you're interested in learning more about essential oils, kind of the basics, where to get started with them in your house, Laura and I are actually gonna be doing a live class, online obviously, a live online class. And you can join that. I'm gonna leave a link below to the class link where you can sign up to be part of that. We will be notifying you via email of the class time so that you can join in and listen to us talk. It's gonna be live, so there'll be some Q&A. We can answer any of your questions. So that will be in the link below to check out that class. It's a free class if you want to learn more about essential oils. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.